Welcome to Technical Drawing. Today we're going to solve this sum in auxiliary. It's in third angle. Front view is down, top view is up. And we have to draw auxiliary top view, which will come next to top view. So first you draw auxiliary line, which is at 45 degree. And then you take points from front view. See, when we are drawing top view, you take projection from front view and transfer distance from top view. Now see this. This is O, C, BD, A. Now after this, now we'll transfer distance from XY to A and we'll cut X1, Y1. See this, we'll take XY to A and on this line we will cut from X1, Y1. XY to D. And from here we'll cut D. XY to B. And X1, Y1 to B. XY to C. And X1, Y1 to C. XY to O. And from here X1, Y1 to, from X1, Y1, O we can cut. Now see this. This is A, B, C and D and this is O. Now if you see, where is observer in this? Observer is here in between. It's a third angle. So observer will see from here and he will draw it on the other side, same side. See this. So OA will be nearer to him. So first we will draw extreme boundary. So extreme boundary will be dark. OA will be dark because it is nearer to the observer. And if you see, point C is away from observer. See, OA is nearer to the observer, so that's why OA will be dark. And C is away from observer, so line passing through C would be dotted. So this is away from observer, so that's why it's dotted. This is auxiliary top view. So I hope you people have understood this sum. Thank you.